So you want to learn Zig? Well, that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. I, PokeLego Dev, am going to start a series about learning Zig. I'm going to go from the basics all the way up to advanced things. So what's it going to look like? Well, it's going to start with a lot of small, short videos. The first one's going to be posted today. It'll be somewhere around here, but it's going to be Hello World in Zig. So I'll show you how to install Zig, set up a Zig project, and write Hello World. That's going to be the first video. And we're going to start off with small things like that. There'll be a video probably on loops, conditionals, functions, things like that to get us going. And then we will work our way up to more advanced topics in the future. The goal of this series is to make each video very short and digestible. I want you to walk away with learning something and being able to use what you learn in those videos in your actual projects. So yeah, so I just wanted this to be a pretty short video giving an introduction to the series. Like I said, that first video will be up later today if you're watching this live. Oh, and one other thing I want to throw in is because of Zig being a new language very young, it's changing fast. So some of these videos may go out of date in the future. I will try my best to provide updated material as time goes on. And I'll also make sure to make videos every time a new Zig release comes out, going through all the changes in that video. And I'll try and reference other videos that may be outdated in those update videos. Yeah, and if you want to just jump in learning Zig, go check out that first video. Hope you have a great day.